Hello and welcome back to the video tutorial on how to reskin Flappy 3D Unity code. So now we have exported the code from Unity and we have to make some final adjustments to launch it on our devices. So go to the place where your xcode project file was exported and open it. As some of you may know that you can't launch Unity games on xcode simulators, so you will need actual device for testing. And for this I'm using my own device. You can see Arthur's iPhone. So first thing, before we even try to build the project, we have to add AddMob. You will also get this Flappy 3D EOS build files, from which you can take all necessary files for your build. We just copy these files to your xcode build. Then we just drag them in. Press finish, and voila, they are here. Now we go here, click on the Unity iPhone. Here on General, we go to the linked frameworks and libraries. We click on cross button and we type in message. We have to add this framework. Now we have to type down here app and remove these three files because they are not used in the project and it will cause errors. I wanted to add AppLovin to the game, but it has some compatibility issues with the plugins I have bought for the Unity, so I don't use it. Okay. Now the build still will give me errors, but we have to check and see which errors we have to fix. So before that, I remember another one. Here in the build settings under linking, with other linker flags, we just remove all load because that will cause an error. And we just press play. The build probably should crash on the linking. Yes. And what do we see here? And we need to add lib iPhone library file. So we go to the Unity iPhone, General, back to the linked frameworks and libraries. We have one here, we just remove this one. We press on the cross, press add another. We go to the place where we have our xcode project. And here, under the libraries folder, we just add this one. And let's try it again. Okay, let's see what. Yes. And we have problems with char boost. And that's okay. It's because we have like duplicate content here. We just delete these and try again. And that's all. As you can see, we are past linking phase, and that means that the game will be launched on and installed on my phone. And that is all you need to do in order to get your working iPhone version. There is one more thing that we can do. By default, the AdMob ad banner is located at top, but I will show you what you need to do if you want to get the banner down to the bottom. Because on my game the banner is on the bottom and I like it there. So once it finished building, I will show you what you have, which part of the code you have to replace to get AdMob banner to the bottom. Speaking about ads, the char boost is showing after every second death, and video ad must be shown after every third death. If you want to change these numbers, you can do so, but you have to do it in Unity. While the game is building, I can try and find where, in which file exactly that should be happening. Okay, so the game is on my phone, and that's it. This is how you build it. I will put a screenshot with this file description on the blog post, so you will see where you have to change the frequency of the ads that are showing up. You can set it how frequent you like. So that's all. Now you have your own Unity 3D game, and you are able to upload it to the App Store. You just need to put in your provisioning profiles, and you are good to go. So I hope this was really easy for you, and you will have great success with this code. Thank you for buying, and thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day, and bye.